Hi guys, I'm here with a Munchpak unboxing. I'm so excited to bring this video to you because I love snacking. Even though I do intermittent fasting, I like to have snacks on hand for when I have the munchies or just to keep my energy up. But anyway, Munchpak is a snack subscription service where they send you new and popular snacks from all over the world and of course including the US. Now it's $9.95 for I think the original box, or it starts at $9.95, free shipping in the USA. You can get a Munchpak mini box. You can get the original box, which is the one I have here. It comes like this, and I'm going to open it and show you in a minute. And then there's a family size box. You can get drink options available. They do international shipping as well, and you can subscribe or you can buy a box and customize it the way you like it, so it's definitely worth it. So I got my coffee here, this cute little mug that I got, and I have some ice water. So this is what the box looks like inside. It has where you can download the Munchpak snack scanner from the App Store or Google Play, and I will list all the information down below in the description box. If you guys are interested in further information, you can just go to their site and all your questions will be answered. But anyway, it comes packed like this. They gave me a little sticker, says Munchpak on it, and then this little card says provided by munchpak.com. This Munchpak was made with love just for you by Nick. So it's so personal and sweet. And then it says you can enter to win a free family pack if you take a picture and share on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., and use hashtag Munchpak. And then there's some tissue in here. They packaged it so nicely. That's one of the, that's another thing that I like about the company, is that they package everything so nicely. And I believe in the original box you get 10 plus snacks. In the Munchpak mini you get 5 or more, and then in the family pack you can get 20 or more, and you might get a drink or something like that in either of these. It just depends. I actually won this from their Facebook giveaway, and I was actually really happy, but I have subscribed to Munchpak in the past. Inside, they also included one of their water bottles. So cute. And I like these kind of water bottles that keep the water really cold. So that was nice. So let's get into the snacks. Now, I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to pull them out. I am a really picky eater, but, I might as well try some of these out on camera. So here we go. The first thing I'm picking out are these wrapped snacks. I have actually tried these before. Not where I live, but, when I went to the hood, I have tried these out. These ones are from the U.S., and these particular kind are the Romeo Miller ones, with Romeo on the front. It says crunchy chips packed with honey and barbecue flavor. They're called the Barbecuing with My Honey Romeo Miller flavored potato chips from Wrap Snacks. I've also seen ones with a little boozy on them. I think those are the ones that I tried. They're not bad. But I also like that Munchpak will put in the front, they put a little label on it that tells you where in the world that your snack came from, instead of you having to have like a little card or whatever. So that's good too. So I'm going to try these out first. Doesn't really smell like anything. But look, that's the texture. They're thin, kind of like Lay's. Mmm. 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 They have like a sweet barbecue taste. Like, not smoky, but a sweet honey barbecue taste. Just like they're called. They're good. My son would love these too. I don't want to eat them all because I want him to try them. Those are good. I think this next one will be really good because I'm drinking coffee. But this is the chocolate brownie Rip Van waffles, and this is from Canada, which is funny because so am I. I don't live there now, but that's where I'm from. It's non-GMO, project verified. It says chewy and sweet chocolate stoop waffle. I've tried the stoop waffles before, the caramel and dulce de leche. Really good. And it has sweet brownie-like cream in the middle. So let's see. Let's try it out. Has no preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, no margarine, no trans fat, no artificial colors or flavors. If you're worried about that, some people are. Oh, it's sticky and gooey and messy. So I'm not going to take the whole thing out. I do want to show you what it looks like because I like to see what stuff looks like. It looks like that. It's actually a circle. And then the gooey is in the middle. It's so gooey I don't want to take it out. It is thick consistency like a brownie. Smells good. It is just like a brownie. But the chocolate is like, have you ever had carob chocolate, like that fake chocolate? Or I don't know if it's fake, but it's like healthy chocolate. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. No. Mm. Oh, that was horrible. Moving on. Okay. Oh. This next one is from Bulgaria. Look at that. It says 7 days soft croissant, peanut butter, creme, and jelly. So the peanut butter and cream is in the middle of the croissant. I'm a little scared, but I'm going to try it because I love PB&J. So I'll try it. If it's nasty, one of these men in the house will eat it. Well, it definitely looks like a croissant. So it's a legit croissant. I'm just going to take a little piece off the end. I don't know if I took enough off to show the peanut butter. Tastes like a croissant. Not as flaky, but buttery. Good. Like a sweet croissant. Okay, that's the peanut butter and jelly. Oh no. Oh no. That part is not good. It almost tastes like peanut butter that might be a little over the expiration date. That's what it smells like. And then the jelly is like so artificial and gross. But the croissant's not bad. Okay. But anyway, this one is called, or this one is Cheetos. Probably like regular Cheetos from the U.S., but these aren't from the U.S. They are from Israel. But it does say crunchy, buttery, and cheesy corn snacks. So let's see if they taste anything like the ones we have here. We shall see. Okay. They smell the same, like corn chips. They look the same, but they look a little bit lighter. Like they'll be a lighter texture. More aerated. They're actually really good. They don't taste exactly the same. I guess ours are more cheesy. And these kind of taste like garlicky, buttery. You still taste cheese, but it's just different. And they're a lot more airy. So, they're good. Good. Okay. Okay. Called Chew It's Black Currant Flavor. Chewy fruit candies packed with black currant flavor. And they're from the UK. So, I used to love back in the day, I don't know how old y'all are, but they had these candies called Bonkers, and they're so bomb. Just Google it. They're so good. And I love Now and Laters. I like taffy and hard chewy candy. These seem like that kind of hard texture. Like a Starburst, but thicker. Smells good. I'm not putting all of it in my mouth in case it's nasty. That sounds horrible, but whatever. They're good. It's just like saltwater taffy, but more tart, which is even better because I don't want too sweet. These are good. These won't last very long in my house. Might have to hide these, actually. Very good. I'm smacking. I'm sorry. These are called Cholulus. Gomitas Cholulus Fresitas. And they are from Colombia. Soft and chewy strawberry and cream flavored gummies. And they are so cute. These are another one my son would like. And my best friend. They both like stuff like this and I don't because the gummy isn't hard and I like harder gummy and I knew these would be squishy. Yeah, I don't like the... I mean, really sweet, like super sweet. Strawberry. We're good. These candies right here remind me of the candies my mom and my grandma used to have in the candy dish when we were little. And they would fill it up, but then be like, don't eat any of the candy. Why? But these are the Misco mini candies, piccolo fruit, apple, lemon, and raspberry, and orange. Sweet and fruity individually wrapped hard candies, and they are from Poland. So let's try some. I don't like orange, but I'll try apple. I'll try apple, lemon, and raspberry, just for y'all. They are super tiny. How cute is that? Okay, making a mess. This is apple. Try this first. They're so tiny. They're really small. It's sour. That's good. That is really good. Okay, I got a raspberry one. This is so good. I want to bite down so I can see if it's chewy in the middle. Oop. It's not. Okay, let's try this raspberry one. It's good. It's so yummy. It's just good, fruity, really tart, sour candies. I guess I'll share it. They're really sour, but they're good. This one is lemon. It broke. It's okay. The apple's the best, but lemon's after that. It's really good. I know you want one. You know, don't hate me, but I can't try these ones. This is from the U.S. as well. It's the Super Snack Time Buffalo Pizza Style Pizza in a Bag, and it's pepperoni jerky. Spicy pepperoni slices with a mixture of pizza and buffalo sauce flavors. My son is going to devour these, but I don't eat pepperoni, so I can't try them for you. I'm sure they're really good. I'm sorry, you guys, but I don't eat that. So for you, I will try these next ones, even though I'm slightly afraid. They are the tofu cookies and egg flavor. These are from Taiwan, and it says crunchy cookies with sweet egg flavor. But since I didn't try those, I will try these for you. This is for the good of all of you out there. Maybe these will be good with soup, like tomato soup or chicken noodle soup or something. I don't want to open. They don't smell like anything, just like crackers. They look like those little rye crisps that come in Chex Mix or the Gardetto snack mix, which is life. They don't taste like egg. They're almost like a sweet cracker, like a tea biscuit. Or if you've ever had a crumpet. Yeah, it's really nothing. It's just like a sweet cracker to have with your coffee or your tea or something like that. They're not bad. There's really nothing to it. It doesn't literally taste like eggs at all. These next ones are really cute. They're called Lottie Cereal Choco. Crunchy cereal puffs with sweet chocolate cream inside. I don't know how I feel about the chocolate cream inside, but they're still cute. And the box is cute. And they are from South Korea. So you just open them right here, and then you have this little box. So they're really cute for kids. So you just open that up, and then they can eat it right out of here. So these would be cute for my niece. Both my nieces when they come over to have a snack. It definitely does remind me of cereal. I don't know what kind right now, but there's a cereal that looks just like this. The outside's sweet. And the chocolate's not bad. It's not even really super sweet chocolate. It's just perfect. It's perfect. Those are good. And I like having stuff on hand for when they come over. If these last that long, these are good. Last but not least, kind of scared of these two. These are from China. They're the Cha-Cha oven-baked potato crackers in garlic and truffle flavor. I like truffle butter, but I don't like a lot. Like, very little, so I don't know. But I'm going to try them. They came in a big, huge thing, so I might as well. Let me get some water. Okay, here we go, guys. Take one for the team, right? Take one for the team. I mean, if you don't like them, whatever. They're really thin. Smell good. You can smell the garlic, but it's not that strong. It's not like horrible. They're super thin. Might go good with wine. Wine time. Oh my. Those are good. They are good. Just enough salt too. They're obviously good if I ate another one. Because like I said, my body rejects things I don't like immediately. My gag reflex will be like, get out of here. Those are good. Just need some wine and some cheese. So that's everything that came in my Munchpak. You guys, like I said, it's definitely worth it. Check it down in the description box. And I'll see you guys soon.